Safe, comfortable, affordable homes are every family's dream. But neglect and lack of funding in the UK's social housing means that for some, those things are sometimes far from reality. In fact, there have been some fatal incidents as a result of the subpar living conditions in these housing facilities. Thankfully, there is legislation in the works to confront these challenges. So let's take a look at all the ways that IoT is uniquely poised to solve many of these challenges. Environmental sensors for things like temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide can be monitored remotely to ensure quick and easy detection. With smart thermostats and air conditioners, landlords can ensure livable internal temperatures while also conserving energy. Predictive maintenance sensors can help reduce the amount of reactive maintenance and decrease the number of equipment breakdowns by up to 70%. There are also tons of other connected devices like leak detectors, fire door safety devices, and assisted living smart buttons that can help bring peace of mind to both residents and landlords. With the use of cellular connectivity, there's an opportunity for easier device setup, maintenance, and increased security and privacy over the use of Wi-Fi. Click the link to learn more about how IoT can impact the future of UK social housing.